Hey guys, welcome back. So this is our GV80 with the issue with the multiple warning lights, and we found out that there's some corrosion causing that multiple warning lights right on this side here. Or I don't know what module was that, I forgot. But oh yeah, this module here. What is this? ELSD. So this is the one that's causing the multiple warning lights because there's a lot of water molds in this one. As you can see, there's disgusting our carpet there, and even our, as you can see there, all molds. But yeah, the front seat belt is all disgusting there. I have to use a mask working on this vehicle because it's really dirty. On that side, not too bad, but in the back side is so dirty. Anyway, so I gotta go ahead with the repair. Of course, it's warranty. Welcome to my life. So I just removed everything on the floor side. Now I'll be doing the crash pad area. I'm gonna removing that. I just removed our steering wheel. Next is I'm gonna remove our headliner because I have to see what's going on there, because saying that our, what do you call that? Our sunroof is open even though it's closed, right? So yeah, I will update you guys after I remove some stuff, and I don't know what they're gonna decide. Of course, I would strongly advise them that to clean whatever all those molds there before putting it back, but it's their decision. So yeah, I'll update you guys. Okay guys, so just an update. I put our dash ready. I put the harness there. I don't know if I mentioned that last time. I put our floor harness. That's all done. The issue with this tricky part was since this has a 7-seater. Yeah, it's a 7-seater, and then there's a rear evap here and heater core. So to do a harness, make sure you remove the refrigerant, and then you can just flip it because it's just coolant there. You can flip the whole thing. You don't have to remove the coolant. Yeah, so yeah, I'm about to put the headliner now. I double check our headliner harness. I don't know if I mentioned in the video too that our sunroof is saying it's open but it's closed. I didn't see any, what do you call that, corrosion there. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I mentioned this last time. So both left front and both rear drain plugs for our drain hose for our sunroof, they're not clogged, but I noticed on our right front side that one is clogged. So this is the guy. Oh, let me drop this. This is our guy here. This is the plug there, and that's full of dirt there inside. I even tried to use a shop air there, doesn't even come out or anything. So that's all the way closed there. Instead of this guy, here, that's open. I cut this because I thought that I'll just reuse it, but they sent 2 new one like this. I think it's an updated part, and it's instead of straight like this, right, that's straight plug, it's like angled. So I guess to prevent some dirt going in, right? But the problem there is, I think it's from the sunroof, especially if the car is like, you know, parked under the trees and everything, all the dirt will just go all the way through here. And as you can see on our hoses here, the clear hose, there's some dirt there, so it just again accumulate. So the best way here, especially if you guys have sunroof on your vehicle, make sure clean the tracks. When you open it, maybe you just use a shop air or blow it, right, blower, take out all the dirt, because it's just gonna accumulate and gonna trap the dirt on the hose, right, for all 4 sides. So yeah, just a tip on that one too. If you have a sunroof, make sure that the drain holes there for the sunroof, make sure that's clean, right? For you will not have issues like this. Alright guys, so I'm done with this harness, the floor and the dash. So far everything went smooth. I went for a drive. There's no, especially the noise on the dash since I removed that. And we don't have any warning lights. As I mentioned last time, the trailer hitch wiring harness that's corroded, but didn't have go ahead with that. So yeah, so far it's good. The only thing I see also that this guy, our sunroof, it's, even though it's closed, but I think something in the module. I checked that when I removed the whole headliner assembly. Didn't, I don't see any like water intrusion there because of the, that leaking water on our sunroof. So yeah, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and let me know what you guys think. And thanks again for watching. See you next time.